Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today we are going to talk about leaves. It's that time of year again where we got to get these leaves up and we need a quick solution. Now I like to use the Toro Ultravac, which is great, but my bag is totally disintegrated. So we're going to try the Zipcase Universal Leaf Bag. So we're going to try and hook this up and see if it actually works. So when you open this thing up, see what comes in it. You have a little instructions in the front. You have a bag, and I see some zip ties here too. So I guess you can zip tie that if you need to make sure it doesn't fall off. So we're going to set that aside for a second, open it up, and let's look at the construction. Well, one of the things I like the strap, so I can actually put this over my stuff like this, have it attached to the actual unit, and takes the weight off the bag. See how the strap is made. It's the quick adjustment type. Move it back and forth like that. Stitching. Stitching looks to be pretty good. I can't see the inside of it. Let's see if we unzip it. And always check your zippers. Make sure they're good. These are super smooth zippers. Some zippers, they kind of hang up. They don't work in. That's usually the first thing that breaks. Doesn't seem bad. It is just a single stitch, but not bad. The stitching looks good on it. So if it does break loose, it's easy to fix that stitch. And let's see how these are attached. And there it is right there. So it comes all the way through, and it is stitched all the way through for both sides. And by the way, guys, looking at the stitching inside of here, they stitch a line to put them together, and then they actually hem the seams, which gives it a lot of good quality as far as holding up goes. So we are going to close that back, and now let's see how it's going to attach. Let's see if it's going to make it over this. And it looks like it will. Let's see if we can feed it on. Just like that. Yeah, it'll actually fit, guys, but your original that comes with a Toro has a clip that clips on. We're going to go ahead and strap it because it has the zip, and we can unzip it as we need it. Now, I'm on it this way. Yep, that looks perfect. You could probably feed this up and over a little more, but I don't want to stretch it too much. So we're just going to put a zip tie on here. Now, I have a zip tie puller. I think this will probably be strong enough without the puller. And I'm only going to use one. See if it'll hold up. Let's try turning it on. All right. Yeah, works pretty decent. So we could actually take this, kind of put it up here. Let's see if it'll hold any of our leaves. All right. Make sure which direction I'm going. Got some picked up. Let's see what it looks like inside of the bag. So pull it back over here. We'd have our trash bag right next to it. And there's your leaves. Actually does very good. Zip it back, and then you're good to go again. So overall, guys, this bag's really nice. I think it'll work great, especially if you've lost your original bag to whatever vac that you're using. This is a great substitute. So do yourself a favor, pick up one today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.